IELTS or IELTS is a nightmare as well as a solution for people who are going abroad for studies or for work. Sam, I need only 7. That's enough for me. None of them say 9. No one say 9 because that is very high and ambitious. Speaking actually is really very difficult for most of the people. Same goes for writing. But both of them can be conquered using these 3 tips. Only then you can get 9 bands in all the modules. And these 3 things are: number 1, in India, unfortunately, only 3 kinds of careers are considered worth fighting for. Number 1, being an engineer. Number 2, being a doctor. And finally, going abroad and make a lot of money. Well, I have done 2 of them. First of all, I am an engineer. Secondly, I studied and worked abroad. IELTS or IELTS is a nightmare as well as a solution for people who are going abroad for studies or for work. It's a nightmare because people cannot get the desired score if they make few mistakes. So there are total 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In this session, you will get tips to get 9 bands in speaking module. Many people have this myth that if you have good English, good vocabulary, as well as good grammar, only then you can get 9 bands in all the modules. Now, I'm not going to take care of all the modules, but talking about speaking specifically, you don't need any of them. Honestly speaking, you need other things first, they will come later. And these 3 things are: number 1, first of all, you have to calm yourself down. Doesn't matter how good you are or how well you speak in English, if you go for the exam and when you speak in the exam and you fumble there's no way examiner gonna give you 9 bands. So first thing, calm yourself down. And what is the sign of being calm? Your breathing habit. Think of a time when you had a panic attack, major one or minor one. What changed? Your breathing habit, right? Think of a time when you missed your flight. Suddenly you were on your knees, you were breathing quickly, you were planning to get some water and all those stuff. Same thing happens in exam. Your brain has lack of oxygen and hence you fumble. Hence, a sign of a person who is fluent as well as confident is their breathing habit. Right, so first thing I told you is about being calm in the exam. Second point, do not listen to reply, because they will ask you questions like, what is your favorite vehicle? And if you do not listen to the word favorite, you will listen to what is a vehicle. You answer the question directly for the vehicle. You forgot the word favorite. Hence, always listen to understand first, not to reply. And that also works in your relationship, in your personal life, in anything you go for. Always listen to understand and then reply. Right? Most of the people get less marks because they didn't answer the question what was asked by the examiner. Rather, they go for something else. So, second thing, listen to understand, please. Coming to the last one, do not show your weakness. Let's say you do not know some word, and if you use it in a wrong context, what's going to happen? The examiner will know that you do not know this word. And if you do not use that word, in fact, use the word which you are aware about. That will be fine, right? Always see that what is your limit? What range of vocabulary can you use? Be resourceful, not search for more resources. These are the 3 advices that changed people and got them 8.5, even 9. I had a student who got 9 just because of him being calm and thinking of only the words he can speak. Right? Speaking actually is really very difficult for most of the people. Same goes for writing, but both of them can be conquered using these 3 tips. The country I chose to study was Germany. And as you know, the language they speak is German, which is called Deutsch in their language. I don't know, at that time, I didn't know how to speak that language, and hence I had some issues with communication. I solved this issue by engrossing myself and pushing myself to my limit. I gave myself no choice apart from speaking in that language. Same goes for English. I enhanced my English to that level that I am considered fluent because I forced myself. There was no other way. In the free and the paid sessions, when I ask people, what is your desired score? None of them say 9. No one say 9 because that is very high and ambitious. They always look for, Sam, I need only 7. That's enough for me. 7.5 if I get, I'll be in a great situation. I'll be in a great shape. But that's not true. Always be ambitious. Why to keep yourself in the lower score? So never aim below 9. Always go for 9. Always practice for that. I'm not saying, but just aim and sleep after that. You don't have to. Understand what are the problems that you will face in order to get 9 bands, right? Getting 9 bands is not easy, but it's not impossible. And you know that from deep inside. It's just either you're lazy or you don't want to accept how great you are. If you're planning to write IELTS in the coming time, please let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, which module should I cover in the next video should also be in the comment section. Your input is important so that we can create something great for you.
पता नहीं मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, इतना पोटेंशियल है, इतना टैलेंट है, हार्ड वर्किंग भी हूँ, लेकिन अपने करियर में ग्रोथ ही नहीं देख पा रही। और बात करें टेक्निकल स्किल्स की, तो उसमें तो मैं माहिर हूँ, मेरे को टेक्निकल स्किल्स पूरे आते हैं। लेकिन एक चीज़ जो मुझे लगती है कि एक रीज़न जिसकी वजह से मैं अपने करियर में आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रही हूँ, वो शायद इंग्लिश है, क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश में थोड़ी ढीली हूँ। ये जो मैं अभी अपने आप से बात कर रही थी, क्या आप भी अपने आप से ऐसी ही बात करते हैं? आपको पता है, हम में से बहुत सारे लोग ये फेस करते हैं। टेक्निकल स्किल्स में अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं होती, जिसकी वजह से करियर में ग्रोथ नहीं देख। और रीज़न माहौल। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इंग्लिश सीखना नहीं चाहते, हमें वो माहौल नहीं मिल पाता। पर अब हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता हमारे करियर में आगे बढ़ने के लिए। जोश टॉक्स लेके आया है एक नया चैनल, जोश टॉक्स स्पोकन इंग्लिश। यहाँ पे हम हमारे ही जैसे लोगों की कहानी सुनेंगे जिन्होंने कभी इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस की थी, उसको हराया, उसको ओवरकम किया और अपने लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल हुए। और आपको पता है, जोश टॉक्स का एक ऐप भी है, जोश स्किल्स ऐप, जिसमें भारत का सबसे सस्ता स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स मिलता है। यहाँ पे आप डेली ग्रामर, वोकैबलरी, वीडियो लेक्चर्स, क्विज के साथ साथ अपने ही जैसे लाखों स्टूडेंट्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो अब लिटरली इंग्लिश सीखने का माहौल हमारी जेब में है। तो आज ही ठान लीजिए, आज ही प्रॉमिस कीजिए खुद को कि आप अपनी लाइफ को बदलेंगे जोश के साथ।